Wait. What? Wait, what? What? Okay, so we got our 4th Universal Yums box, and I don't remember the clue from the last box. All I remember that is said like something like, wow, I just said like so many times. I don't remember anything from the last box, but I do. Okay, now let me just start the fuck over. Okay, so I don't remember the clue exactly from the last box, but I do remember it said something like the land of coconut or something, but I hate coconut, so I'm a little nervous.
Okay, well, we don't do coconut.
So I don't know what country this is from again. So we're about to see. The Philippines. Okay. So I get everything out and then I decide the order. Ooh. Okay, okay. Oh, mango. Mango. I love mango. Okay, all right, okay. Okay. I always start with like a chippy thing. So this, first thing I'm trying is Boy Bawang Cornick. Bigger, tastier, crunchier. Adobo flavored. I don't know what any of that means, but this is what it looks like. It looks like little nuts. Is strong over there in the Philippines? Everything is hard to open from the Philippines.
Real hard open.
Oh, tear here. Oh, I'm dropping them everywhere. Ah. Oh, these are tasty. They're just like little balls of flavor. These aren't bad. I actually like these. What's the flavor? I guess adobo. Oh, which I don't know what it is. That was good. I like that. Okay, let's just get this guy out of the way. This coconut, this purple coconut guy. It says cupcake, cocoa oob, cupcake with cocoa flakes. I hate coconut, but it's adorable. It's literally just like a cupcake without icing, and it's purple. You guys know I love purple. I taste nothing. Tastes like sponge. I don't even taste coconut in it. I don't even see coconut flakes in it, whereas in the bag, you can see the fucking coconut flakes. So that wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, let's open the Yums bag. Ooh. Oh, I thought these were something I already knew. Those look a little bit. These didn't even. Doesn't these look like those little sour guys? It just says Lips Color Burst Strawberry Flavored Candy. All right, that's easy peasy. It's just strawberry candy. You guys remember those like little strawberry things that came in like the strawberry looking wrapper and then you don't know where they came from? They just always like showed up. That's what it tastes like. So there's a mango one too, which I'll do at the end. Okay, so there's 2 Choco Muchos. One is white chocolate, caramel chocolate, cookie center, cereal crisp, and one is dark chocolate. Okay. So these are like the same thing. This is what it looks like, a candy bar. Scary. This literally just looks like a... It's really light, so it's probably just all crisps. Is this a dark chocolate one? This is really good. The caramel's just like spread out in there. This is good. Wow, this is really good. I like this. Oh my gosh, that was so good. Okay, let's try it. Okay, we basically had something like this in the other bag. Baked cheesy puffs, sweet butter, and cheese. Literally, I guess every country has their own version of cheese puffs. Can't taste that much different. This doesn't have a tear here button. Wait. What? Wait, what? What? These are so weird. It tastes like cheesy. It tastes like cheesy butter. It tastes like cheesy butter. Those are so weird. These are so weird. These are so weird. I wonder what my family's gonna think of those, because those are different. They're gonna think they're just cheese puffs, and then they're gonna pop them in their mouth, and they're gonna be like, bleh!
I think I gotta be first one.
How about this?
The brave
Alright, motherfucker.
What?
Take that.
She keeps cheating.
No. I'm reading it.
Mom, you weren't in frame for that. I've been so excited for you guys to open that one. You have to redo it now.
It sucks.
You have to redo it.
It sucks.
You all have to redo it. You walked away.
I
not
reviewed
bad.
it.
No, we have to redo it.
It's not that bad.
It was bad.
I'm giving it a 3.
Yeah, it got worse.
What?
After
Wow,
the second
I'll,
one.
good. No one likes them. I'll have them.
They're not, they're not good. They're not good.
Okay, let's try this guy. No, let's try this guy. This says Goldilocks, Peony Pig, Pulveron, Philippine shortbread. This looks adorable. Ooh, it's sugary. Sugary. Just like fell apart in my mouth. This tastes like if you just took a bunch of sugar and then melted some butter in it and then let it dry up and then formed them into balls. Maybe, I don't know. It's actually not that bad. I don't dislike it. All right, let's try this. Egg Bites egg cookies made with real fresh eggs. I'm skeptical. Very skeptical. These look like those little things that I don't know the name of. These are not eggs. These taste like cookie. They have no flavor. All right, that was my least favorite thing. All right, now let's try this big box. This is a big box. It's just soft cookies with mango bits. So I think I'm gonna like these guys. They're making everything very hard to open. Oh, okay, they're individually packaged. That's a lot of waste. Philippines. And they have a turtle on the front. How are you gonna have a turtle on the front and then individually wrap each cookie in a box? Oh, they're soft. These are delightful. They're so soft and buttery, but has a hint of mango flavor. I love that. I feel like that's what you would serve at a tea party. Wow. Those are adorable. Those taste adorable. That's the only way I can explain it. They taste adorable. Yum. I really like those. And there's a lot in here. Okay, these guys are the same. They both say fudge bar. This one's salted caramel. This one is macapuno. Macapuno. The problem, I don't know, it's green, so maybe it's macadamia nut. It says Obersarap. You like this angle? There's cream in there. This tastes like nothing. This tastes like the other one. No flavor. Just sponge. That was weird. Not great. That's a waste of calories. Okay, I want to try this one right after it because I want to remember what that one tastes like and see if this one tastes like nothing too. This one's supposed to be salted caramel chocolate. So how bad can you fuck up salted caramel chocolate? Okay, this tastes like chocolate cupcake. This one's good. Other ones literally did not have any flavor. And this tastes like salted. I mean, it doesn't taste like salted. I mean, it doesn't taste like what it says it's going to taste like. It tastes just like chocolate cupcake without icing. But it's good. When it comes to chocolate cupcakes without icing, that don't taste like what they say that they're going to taste like. These are just Farmer John's premium potato chips barbecue sauce wavy. Why can't I open anything?
Are you kidding me?
I know.
These are big.
Strawberry's not bad.
Well, I wouldn't know shit because I can't open it.
I hate opening stuff from corners. It's so inconvenient. Then you have to eat from the side of the bag. These have a weird flavor. These aren't barbecue at all. No flavor. No, here it comes. Oh, here it comes. Okay, it has a little spice in there. Oh, wow. What? What? That chip was a magic trick. I literally had like no flavor, and then I put a couple in my mouth and then waited a second. My mouth got really spicy. That's weird. Hey, this is the last thing. And it's white chocolate, which I'm not a fan of. It's fake ass chocolate. I'm gonna give you a side view so you can see me and the bar. Tastes like cement. On the inside, it's like hard. There's caramel in it. That's about the only good part. So this little piece of candy is the last thing. And I'm just gonna like it. Because I like mango. And I like candy. But I don't like how you can't open anything from the Philippines. It's like the ultimate child lock. Oh, just mango candy. Okay, so the clue for next month's box. Our next stop is home to Tales We've Adored, about wizards, detectives, and a knight and his sword. But when it comes to the yums, we have a prediction. You'll love the toffees and crisps just as much as the fiction. No idea. I'm bad at that stuff, so that's it. I think I liked everything but no, I'm just kidding. I didn't like any of the sponge cake. Okay, so that's all from the Philippines. I really like the mango cookie. So if you like this video, do whatever you want with it. Okay, that's all, folks.